The giraffe, tall, graceful, and apparently deeply relaxed. While other animals race across the savannah, she does nothing. At least nothing that looks rushed. She moves in slow motion, not because she has to, but because she can. Each step deliberate, each pause full of presence. On her neck, two little birds having a picnic. She doesn't mind. Let them, as long as no one pushes or pulls. The neck remains both hotel and observation tower. You might imagine her thinking, stress, why, I'm 5 meters tall. I see you coming. Long before you even take a step. And so she walks on, measured, calm, almost meditative. No drama, no rush, just being. The giraffe, the Zen master of the savannah, a creature that shows us true greatness doesn't need to prove itself. It simply stands. Maybe we should all be a little more like the giraffe.
Bum bum ba da ba ba bum 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 ba da ba ba bum 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 ba da ba ba bum bum ba ba da da bum 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 ba da bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba ba bum 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 ba bum ba da bum ba bum 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 ba da ba da ba da wa bum 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 ba da da ba bum wa wa bum 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 ba da da ba bum ba 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 da wa ba 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 wa wa ba 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 da wa ba 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 ba